Using your SBI SimplySAVE credit card for payments is a convenient and rewarding way to manage your expenses. To get started, first ensure you have received your credit card and have activated it by following the instructions provided by the bank. Next, familiarize yourself with the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV number, usually found at the back of the card. It is essential to keep this information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. To make a payment using your SBI SimplySAVE credit card, you can use it at any merchant outlet that accepts Visa or MasterCard. Depending on the card type you have, simply present your card to the merchant, and they will swipe or insert it into the payment terminal to process the transaction. You will then be required to enter your PIN or sign a receipt to authorize the payment. For online transactions, you will need to provide your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV number. On the merchant's website, ensure you are using a secure website with HTTPS and a lock icon in the address bar to protect your card information. You can also use your SBI SimplySAVE credit card for contactless payments, allowing you to make transactions of up to a certain amount without entering your PIN. To use this feature, look for the contactless symbol at the merchant outlet and tap your card on the payment terminal. To manage your credit card account and track your transactions, you can use the SBI Card mobile app or log in to your account on the SBI Card website. Here, you can view your statement, make payments, and access various rewards and benefits associated with your card. To get the most out of your SBI SimplySAVE credit card, make sure to use it for all your daily expenses, including shopping, dining, and fuel purchases, to earn rewards points that can be redeemed for cashback, gift vouchers, or other benefits. Additionally, pay your bills on time to avoid late payment fees and maintain a good credit score. By following these steps and using your SBI SimplySAVE credit card responsibly, you can enjoy a convenient, secure, and rewarding payment experience. Always keep your card information secure, and in case of any issues or concerns, contact the SBI Card customer care for assistance.